This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and in today's video I'll show how you can enable, disable and manage the noise reduction feature on this drone. So to start, you will need to take your mobile device and launch the HOVERAir X1 application. Of course, you'll need to also pair your drone to it. From here, open the Hover tab or Hover section at the bottom, go into Hover settings, then scroll down and look for the noise cancellation model. Now tap on it to launch this little selection here, and if you'll set it to normal noise reduction, it won't work as aggressively, and you could even say that this mode stands for it being switched off, since I haven't been able to spot any significant difference with or without it. So, well, anyway. Or if you would like for the app to cancel the noise more aggressively, cancel the blades or fans noise, for example, you can set it to extreme noise reduction instead. The choice is yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.